Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is PJ. Inside this video, I'm going to be explaining some indicator to you and how you can make use of this particular indicator to make your daily profit. Guys, you can make a lot of money with the help of this single indicator. So this is the combination of three indicators together to give us an accurate result. This same indicator works on step index and it also works on boom and crash index. So to get this indicator, you just reach me on my video description. I have dropped my Telegram link there, so you can reach me on my Telegram. Then I will reach out to you very soon. So guys, this indicator is not for free. So but if you need it, you can reach me up on my Telegram. So guys, let me explain how this particular indicator works on this video. So this is step index 1 minute time frames. We have our histograph of green here, and we have our red, and we also have our yellow histograph, and also we have our 9 that is breaking over here at this level. At this our is breaking over at this particular point. So immediately break over, then we have our indicator, another indicator here that indicates to us that we have a downtrend, which is our arrow indicator. We also have this particular red diagram that's going to draw itself that indicate a sell entry, So immediately it break down, it break over at this particular level. You just watch the trade. Immediately you have your confirmation at this level. Immediately the 9 reach our level 10, then you can free to enter the trade. You can see what happened to the trade now. The trade is coming to our favor, and you can take that particular trade. Also, let me show you another entry again. So you can see here we have another particular entry here. You can see what happened here. We have our yellow histograph that break over here at this particular point, and we wait till we have our confirmation at this particular level, and we also have it here. We have our two indicators that indicate to us our arrow and our diagram at this particular level. So this is the right time for us to scrape up the market for a few times. So you can see that. So we have another one at this particular level. You see what happened here. Same thing also happened here. You just need to wait for the confirmation, and also wait for the indicator to appear on your upper side, which is the arrow and the diagram, that you have a downtrend. Then wait for the breakover level, and you are free to take your trade at any time. So we have our indicator here, which is our sideways. We have bullish, and we have also the bullion also. So it also helps us to analyze it very well, so that we can see what is coming. We also have another particular entry here. You see that immediately it shows us a confirmation, a right confirmation. You see what happened here. The breakover happened here, and we reach our 10 level. Then we take our trade. We scrape up a little bit. If you can apply to take the risk, then it come down to that particular level again, then before it skyrockets on the upper trend. You see that. Also, the same indicator also works on boom 1000. You see what happened in boom 1000. You see what happened here. We have a confirmation at the upper side. We also have at the break level side at here. You see what happened. Your entry will be around here. And what happened? You scrape up the market as you want, and you are out of the market. We also have another confirmation here. Okay, let me help you to zoom it out so that you can see. You see that we have another confirmation here. We have a break over level here at this particular level. So we wait till it reach our 10 level here, and we have our confirmation here. We have our two confirmation, the arrow and the box here, to give us a spike entry. You see what happened here next. So we also have another confirmation here. Let's see what happened here. You see what's happened here. You see that we have our confirmation here at this level. Once it reaches the 10 level, then you can easily enter your trade at this particular level. You see that. So you can scrape down the market as you want, maybe like 5 candle, 10 candle, then you are out of the market, depending on the type of risk you want to take. And you can see what happened here. He was telling us that 1 minute time frame, we have our bearish here, we have our sideways, we also have our pulling entry. So now, why is it that I cannot take this particular trade at this level now? Because we have our confirmation at this level. Why I don't need to take this particular entry? The reason why I don't need to take this particular entry is that Once the breakout